Becca. Hi, Kika. Hi, Melanie. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Maya. Hi, Itzy. Hi, Aaliyah. Hi, Diego. Today, we are making a puzzle with a pigs. And so, I have a pink paper, or you can get any paper you have. But I'm using pink as my color because I think of piggies being pink. You can use any colors you have. You can color your piggy any colors. You can do orange, blue, red, green, any colors you have. And I got glue, I got my scissors, and so I'm gonna color my piggy. I started coloring my piggy a few minutes ago. I'm going to color. I'm going to color her nose. And then her eyes. And then there's her mouth. And there's her ears. There's her body and her little tail. And there's her head, her cabeza. I'm going to use my scissors. I'm going to cut these two pieces. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the puzzle. Let me color the other piece of her body. And there's her legs. And her little feetsies. My little piggy. And then I'm going to get the glue. So then I'm going to start gluing my pieces down. So here's her face. 1. This is 2. Here's the other part of her face and her head and her body. 2. And here's your other part of her body. Where her bottom is right there. 3. And this is where her tummy is. 4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I glued her down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here's my piggy. So I colored her pink. Like the 3 little pigs. So this is what I made. So you just have your crayons, your glue, your scissors. And there you go. There's a little pig. So this is your puzzle. You can glue it or you can do your puzzle at home. I glued mine. But I miss you so much and I hope you are doing really good. Bye, friends.